Before you ask, I'm pretty sure something like this already exists out there. But whenever I search up a life count now, it just comes up with the worldometer. Maybe it's because I'm using Bing.
Why are you the way that you are? Honestly, every time I try to do something fun or exciting, you make it not that way. I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
But I'm still 90% sure that nothing like this exists on the Google Play Store, so I'm gonna make an app. Open up a new 2D Unity project, import... Oh wait, sorry. I forgot that the fucking CEO dropped a big atomic bomb on the entire software, you know, charging developers left, right and centre. I know I'm not going to get that many downloads, but you know what I mean. They've retracted it now because of all the backlash, but come on, they're sneaky bastards. We can't trust them. So, we're going to chuck Unity in the bin and find another game engine. Slight problem, I have no idea how to use any of them. In the end, I decided on Godot with an O, not an A. So let's install it. Visit the Godot website, download the file extract the files, and bam, you've got the game engine. You can't use the engine, so boot up GPT to help teach you, right? All we need to do is make a timer. It turns out that making a fucking timer is very hard. No matter what prompts you use, no matter what you say, no matter what you do, it just doesn't work, right? The voices start to come back, so you have a little bit of booze, right? A little bit of booze leads to some more booze. Before you know, you've installed an entirely new game engine by Godot to use C#. You're now programming in C# instead of the Godot proper script. What you're meant to be using is it's all experimental. I don't know what's going on. It's like things. But then out an epiphany. It's me that's the idiot. How could our robot overlords possibly be wrong? I end up changing the edit text node to a label node, and it works. Install the SDKs, JDKs, and whatever you need for Android porting. And after 3 hours of being a drunken imbecile, we have a timer. It may be small, but it's still there. We then fetch the date time from the cloud and use it to calculate their exact age, right? In years. We then loop through and update the value continuously until we get something like this. Export as an AAB file, upload to Google Play, click publish, wait 7 days, and you're done. I'll leave a link to the published app in the description, but before you go, I need to tell you something of crucial importance.